So we start off today's video with some clay. Looks like they're mixing in some color here. Oh wow, she ended up making these really pretty vases. Gorgeous. And then we have a popsicle stick DIY. Now, when it comes to using popsicle sticks, there are so many different projects that you can create. And it looks for this one like they decided to do some shelves. Very cool. I would like to see how these look like spray painted. I think that would be really cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at all of these eyes. Wow. What is she making with this? I guess it's could like double up as like wall art or maybe some type of like, oh, she used it as a jewelry holder. Wow, really cool design. Now typically when I see eyes they like freak me out, but I think because she used like different colors, I really like the way that turned out. Then we have someone making some type of tray. I feel like we're doing a lot of like wavy designs at the moment. You could use this as like coasters. Oh, she made a candle holder too. That's pretty. Alright, so it looks like we have someone revamping a couch here. Now these kind of DIYs always look easy to me, but I'm sure they're not. But this material she's using just looks so soft and comfortable. And it's a great way to upgrade your furniture without spending a lot of money. And the cat loves it. She's got a winner with that project. So next up, it looks like someone is making some type of lantern. We kind of saw at the beginning what they're doing here. So they're using some leaves in the design, some wooden sticks, kind of making like a paper lantern style. Oh, that was beautiful. Ceramic mushroom paint palette. Now, if you guys are into the mushroom aesthetic, I do have a whole video featuring mushroom DIY project ideas and reactions. So be sure to check that out if you want to see more. Watch me transform this dresser. So if you like to go thrifting, I'm sure you'll love this transformation. So she's sanding down the wood. You guys already know I love watching these. Ooh, wow, love the pretty green shade she did for this. That is gorgeous. Have unch furniture, don't throw it away. Oh, wow. Really cool bench for that one. Yeah, she definitely upgraded. It's amazing what like scraping paint or painting can do. Alright, so here we have a fashion DIY. I thought it would be cool to mix in some more kind of DIY projects. So I love these painted jeans. This is such a cute look. And then we have another project featuring some leaves. So she has some different textures and leaf kinds here. Or leaf styles, rather. It's like she's boiling them. And there's so many different ways that you can use the leaves to create like DIY projects. Really cool ideas. Why are you painting the back? This is why. I don't get it. Is it because it's peeking out through the front? I'm kind of confused with that. Oh, we got another furniture flip here. Oh, they just completely tore the fabric off. Okay, so they're doing adding in some new fabric. Looks like they went with like a very boring basic color for this. Or is that just me? It's like a nice, just boring beige. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed these DIY reactions and project ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.